In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert HTML code in your Gmail. Before we begin, it is helpful to understand one important detail. Gmail does not give you a built-in option to paste raw HTML and have it render automatically. The simplest way to insert HTML is to use a Chrome extension that adds an HTML insert feature right inside the Gmail Compose window. Many people use extensions that create an Edit HTML button, so you can paste your HTML and apply it to the message body cleanly. Now let us get started inside Gmail. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Once you are looking at your regular email list, you are in the right place. Next, click the Compose button. This opens a new message window where you can create an email. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see the message body area, which is where the content of your email will go. In the Compose window, click on Highlight. This step is important because you want the cursor active in the body area, and highlighting helps confirm you have selected the area where your HTML content should be inserted. If you have any placeholder text in the body, make sure it is selected so it can be replaced by your HTML content when you insert it. After that, click on Insert. This is typically the option added by your HTML insert tool in Gmail. When you select Insert, you will be able to place your HTML into the email body so that it renders as designed, instead of appearing as plain code. Paste your HTML carefully, and keep your formatting as clean as possible. As a practical tip, keep your HTML email compatible with Gmail by using inline CSS for styling, since many email clients strip out certain styles. Also, if your HTML includes images, they should be hosted somewhere publicly accessible so Gmail can display them properly for recipients. If an image is only stored on your computer or behind a login, it may not load in the email. Once your HTML is inserted, take a moment to visually scan the email body for spacing, alignment, and any missing elements. If it looks correct, you are ready to continue with your normal email workflow. And that is all there is to it.